Good afternoon, I'm Roger here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon with Guaranty RV. Today we're going to be looking at a Thor Freedom Elite. This is a 2016 year model. It's a 29-foot FE, Frank Eric. It's on the Ford chassis. It's going to have that Triton V10. It's going to get a pretty decent fuel economy. It's a smaller rig, but it's got a lot of great stuff going on with it. It's got nice storage area here. It's got the outside TV. It's got the push button awning out there. You got speakers outside so you can sit underneath the awning, watch a program, listen to some music, entertain some great friends and guests. Now it's a little tight here because we got a lot of inventory here in Junction City, but this is a really nice feature. It's the outside refrigerator. It's got a place for a barbecue, quick disconnect, sink, hot and cold water, water pump switch, so you can really get out here and utilize this coach. Another nice little storage area here. This coach is a double slide, one in the bedroom, one for the living room. We've got a really good storage area here. You can put quite a bit of stuff in there. Nice side swinging doors, makes it easy to get in there, put your bigger stuff. Propane furnace, gas electric refrigerator. It's got the gas electric water heater. Place to hook up the water there. Nice, clean, simple unit. It's got an awning 4,000 watt generator. Let's go inside. That's where the really neat stuff gets to happen. So this is the inside of our 29 FE by Winnebago. It's got the upgraded engine transmission combination. This is the 6-speed, and this is how come it's going to get that really better fuel economy. It's a dual overdrive 6-speed transmission. It's going to also help slow the vehicle down while you're going downhill. It's got the backup camera. We've got our sofa on the passenger side, and right across from it is the TV. So you've got your perfect viewing area. Booth dinette, people can sit here and still be able to see the TV. It's going to be a little close, but hey, for those of us that are older and having trouble seeing, maybe it's a bonus. Decent sized kitchen here. We've got the oven, the 3-burner stove, and the microwave. Decent little storage here. Over here's our command center. This is where we control the slide out, the heated tanks, the water pump, the water heater. This is that gas electric water heater. Here's our generator, our environmental controls, heating and cooling. It's a ducted AC. And then back here, we have the master bedroom. It's a full walk-around bed. Storage above it, reading lights above it. We've got a decent closet here. There's also a stereo back here if you want to listen to music. It's got the original bedspread. This is a beautiful cabinet here, and it's actually really useful because this is where you would mount your TV for the bedroom and then still give you storage. All the hookups for the TV are in here. If you want one, it's easy to put in. If you don't want one, great storage, great bank of drawers. I'm Roger, and if you have any questions about this or anything else, give me a call. Thanks. Have a great day.